Good morning, children. Now, let us start with the exercise 5.3, 10th problem. Already, exercise 1 to 9 problem over. Now, 10th problem, find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line, which has the slope is minus 5/4 and passing through the point minus 1,2. What is given? Given slope is m equal to minus 5/4 is given and the point minus 1,2 is given. Let it be x1, y1. 1 point, one slope given me. We have the formula. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 is the formula. Already, when 2 points are given, what is the formula? Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 in this form. Then one slope and the intercept given me y into mx plus c is the formula. Intercepts are x intercept and y intercept given me x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Just to go through all the formula, this particular problem, one slope, one point given me. What is the formula? Equation of a straight line or super line, a line. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x is the formula. Y minus y1 is what? 2. M is what? Minus 5/4. X minus formula minus the minus z plus. Now cross multiply 4 into y minus 2 equal to minus 5 into x plus 1. 4y minus 2 minus 5x minus 5. Therefore, the 4y minus x don't change equal to the minus 5x comes in plus 5x. Okay? The minus 5 comes in plus 5. Then 0. Okay? No sign is what? Plus. Now write in order 5x plus 4y. Number is what? 5 minus 8 is what? Minus 3 is the answer. 1 point, 1 slope being, by using the formula, y minus y1 equal to x minus x1 is the formula. The answer is 5x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to the answer. That's all. Now next question, 11th question, y equal to 0.1x plus what is equation is given. Refer the question in the book actually. Let the question. You are downloading a song. A person wait in decimal form of megabyte. They remain to get download x seconds given by equations given. The first subdivision what is asking on? Find the total MB. MB means megabytes of the song asking. Automatically to find total MB megabytes of song can be obtained when time 0. Am I right? Which means what? Therefore, x equal to 0. What is the value y? Y equal to substitute 0.1 into 0 plus 1 that is 1 is the answer. 1 at 1 MB, that is the answer. That's all. Total MB is asking, total MB of the song can be obtained when time will be 0. Time is x here. x0 means y equal to 1 MB. So first one is over. The second subdivision, after how many seconds, 75% of the song gets download. Time when 75% of song is download. Am I correct? Therefore, the remaining what? The remaining percentage is equal to what? 25%. Am I right? The remaining percentage is what? 25%. That means what? Y equal to 0.25. 25% means 25 by 100 no? 25 0.258. Substitute. Therefore, this is the equation. What is the equation? This is the equation no? Which implies y is 0.25 minus 1 is equal to 0.1x. Subtract minus 0.75 equal to 0.1x. Am I right? We want x. We want x. Am I right? We want y is 0.25. Then your equation is what? The equation is, the given equation is not plus actually minus. This is the equation, the given equation. But substitute 0 now. That's why the first answer is the same answer. We have minus 0.1 into 0, 0, 0% 1 only. This is correct. But here, what is the given value? We use minus 0.05. So our answer is, now when y is what? 0.25, then minus 1 equal to 0.1x. Change sign, 0.1x. Here, first subtract what? The bigger number, small number. Minus 0.75 equal to minus 0.1x. Therefore, 0.1x equal to minus 0.75. We want x. 0.75 divided by 0.1. Now we don't want point decimal actually. So multiply by 100 divided by 100. Then only multiply by 100 divided by 100. 0.75 into 100, 75. 0.1 into 100, only 10. Now divide 7.5. This is the time actually. For time taken to download 70% of the song is, what is the answer? 10 seconds. This is time. X is what? 10 seconds. That is 75, 7.5 seconds. Actually, what is that? X represents time. That is the seconds. X is 7.5 seconds. This is the answer. The third part also asking, read the question. What is asking? After how many seconds? After how many seconds? The song will be downloaded completely. Completely means what? Completely means 100%. Am I right? Therefore, song will be completely downloaded. Song will download completely. Download completely. When what is given? The question is, when the remaining time is what? Remaining percentage only 0. 100% is there. Complete down means only 0% is 0. When the remaining percentage is 0. When the remaining percentage is 0. When y equal to 0. Substitute that. 0 equal to 0.1 x plus 1. The question, substitute y equal to 0.1x equal to 1. X is 1 by 0.1. Multiply 10 by 10. But 10 by 1 is 10. Therefore, 10 seconds. That is the answer. Here 7.5 seconds. 75% is that song download. The line is 7.5 seconds. The 100% that is remaining part is not 0. 10 seconds. In this way, you find one by one. Equation clearly given. The first one is time is given. Time is 0. Y is asking. The remaining problem, y value is given. You will find the x value. That is the answer. Now next question. Find the equation of a line whose intercepts on x and y axis are given. First one is what is given now? Given x intercept, that is reference A as 4, y intercept B equal to -6. X and y intercepts are given. Intercepts on the x and y axis are given. That's A equal to 4, B equal to -6. Now x intercept and y intercept given in equation of a line. What is that? X by A, y by B. 1 is the formula. Substitute here x by 4 minus 3 plus y by minus is equal to 1. Now here x by 4 plus and minus y by 6 is equal to 1. Now take LCM 4, 6. What is LCM? 12 is LCM. What is the method to find LCM? 4, 6, 2 table. 2 times, 3 times. Again 2 table. 1 time, the same thing. Again 3 table. 1 more. 2 are 4. 4 is 12. In this way you will find LCM. In 12, this 4 how many times? 3 times. That's why I want to multiply 3. 3x minus. In 12, the 6 is 2 times. Am I not? That's why you have multiply 2 in matter. 2y equal to 1. So 3x minus 2y equal to 12. So 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Usually, equation is of the form x term, y term, then constant term is equal to 0. In this way, you find the answer. First subdivision over. Now second subdivision. What is the question? Second subdivision. What is given? Minus 5 comma 3 by 4 is given. Same method. Sum of intercepts are given. 2 mark question, you got a question. Intercepts are given. Equations are asking. One more model. Equation is given. Intercepts are asking. Intercepts are given. Equations are asking. Next one. Equations are given. Intercepts are asking. This type of question very, very important for 2 mark question. Now the same method. What is the same method? The same thing given. X intercept A equal to minus 5. Y intercept B equal to 3 by 4. Now write the equation. X by A, Y by B equal to 1. X by minus 5, y by 3 by 4 equal to 1. Now x by 5, you put the minus here. Plus, residual is what? 4y by 3 equal to 1. The denominator is what? By 3. 15 is LCM. In 15, by 3 days, no? Multiply 3, or minus 3s. Plus, in 15, this 3 is what? How many? 5 times. 5 into 4y. 20y equal to 1. Minus 3x plus 2y cross 1 to 15. Minus 3x plus 20y minus 15 equal to 0. Multiply by minus 1. Because first term we want only positive. We don't want negative. That's why multiply by minus 1. What is the answer? Minus plus 3x. Minus plus minus 20y. Minus plus 15 equal to 0. In this way, you will find the equation of the side line when x and y intercepts are given. You want 2 more question? Yes, sir. Now 13th question. Find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis and y axis. You would find x intercepted and y intercepted. That is asking. Coordinates axis, x axis, y axis. Actually, coordinate, that means x and y. Ordinate, y. Opposite, this is called x. This is a mean. One more concept, opposite means only x, represent x. Ordinate means only y. Coordinate means x comma y. That's why intercept coordinate. Coordinate means x comma y. X intercept and y intercept is asking. Anyway, equation is given. Really, intercepts are given to find the equation. Now equations are given on. This is the given equation. 3x minus 2y minus 6y. Now, what is the intercept? Intercept is going to be something. What is the formula of intercept? X by A plus y by B equal to 1. Equal to 1. That's why we want only x term, y term in the left hand side. The number will be right hand side. Now equal to divide only no. That's why divided by 6. 3x by 6 minus 2y by 6, 6 by 6. Now equal to cancel only no. 1. This is cancel 2 by 3. Understand? Of x by 2. You want like plus plus y divided by minus 3. Understand? Of x by something plus y y by something equal to 1. It is of the form, intercept form, no, what is the formula? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. What is a? X by a, x by 2, a equal to, come on, y by minus 3, y by b, b equal to what? Minus 3. Therefore, x intercept is 2. Then y intercept is minus 3. This is the answer. This is important. 2 more. This is one method. The another method, you will do another method also. You will follow the method, but you will follow another method. Given equation 3x minus 2y minus 6 will be 0. First step, put y equal to 2. What is the answer? 3x, y 0 means 2 into y brought to 0. Minus 6 to 0. Okay? So 3x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 3. Therefore, this is called x intercept. That's all. Put x equal to 0. We get 3 into 0. 3 is 0. Minus 2y. Minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 2y equal to 6. Y equal to what? 6 by minus 2. Am I right? That is minus 3. Therefore, y intercept is minus 3. In this way, you will find which one is easy for you. You will follow any other method. Sometimes it is easy method. Put y 0 mean we get x value, that is called x intercept. Put x equal to 0, we will get the y value, that is called y intercept. This is easy for you. Am I right? The one more problem is that second subdivision, the given equation is, what is the equation? 4x plus 3y equal to what? This is given. Plus 4 equal to this is given. So this method, we will do this method. Put y equal to 0. What is the answer? 4x, 3 is 0, plus 4 equal to 0. 4x equal to minus 12. X equal to minus 12 by 4. Cancel. Minus 3. Therefore, x intercept is minus 3. X is equal to what is the answer? 0, 4 is 0, plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So 3y equal to minus 12. Y equal to minus 4 by 3. That is minus 4. Okay? Now, y intercept is minus 4. Listen here. Now, equation given, intercepts are asking. The previous one is intercepts are given, equations are asking. These are now listen here. 14th one, subdivision 1. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 1 comma minus 4 and here intercepts. The word intercept involved in first find the equation of a line. X by a, y by b equal to 1. By data, what is given? Intercept which are in the ratio. The a and b are intercepts. A is to b equal to 2 is b is given. Ratios are given. Now this can be as a by b equal to 2 by 5. Am I right? That's what I like. 5a by 2 equal to b. Am I right? b equal to 5a by 2. Am I right? Substitute. Therefore, equation is x by a plus y by b. B equal to what? Y by 5a by 2. Am I right? Equal to what? Now what is this equation? 2y divided by 5a equal to 1. What is LCM? 5a is LCM. Here 5 is missing. Am I right? Here 5a is there. Here also 5a is involved in. Then LCM is easy for you. That's why a is there. Here 2y by 5a equal to 1 is there. Here 5a is there. Here also we want 5. That's why denominator only is no multiply by 5. Numerator multiply by 5. Now taking 5x LCM, 5x plus 2y equal to 1. 5x plus 2y equal to 5a. This is the first equation. Now, at what is the point? Now substitute the point here. What is the answer? 5 into x is 1 plus 2 into y is minus 4 equal to 5a. Am I right? Here 5 minus 8 equal to 5a. Therefore 5a equal to 3 minus 8 minus 3. Am I right? Therefore, required equation is equal to what? 5x plus 2y equal to in 5a equal to what? 5x minus 3. Therefore, 5x 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the answer. Really, equation sign is asking. Intercept where you want it. That's why intercept equation. By using the ratio, you will eliminate b. Inside b, you will find 5a minus 5a by 2. Substitute that. Out of b will be eliminated only a involved. To find the value of a, substitute this point. What is the reason? X by a plus y by b equal to what is the intercept equation? A involving, b involving. Am I right? Two data are involved. To find a and b by using the intercept of the ratio one idea, pass to the point of that idea, we get the automatically eliminate a and b. Get the answer. Equation involving without a and b. That is called intercept equation or vector equation. This type of question is important. 5 more question. Because previous question intercepts are given, equation asked. Equation is given, intercepts are asked. 2 more questions. But here, when you use 2 data, you find the equation. That's why 5 more question. First of reason, 1 more question is the same method. Now second solution, find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 8,4 and making equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Now equation is what? X by a plus y by b 1. I want to write this form. What is reason? Intercept. The word equal, that's the intercept is involved. By data, equal intercept. That means what? The intercepts are a and b, no? Equals will be b equal to a. Now substitute here, x by a, y by again b is a equal to 1. Now a is LCM, no? X plus y equal to 1. Cross multiply x plus y equal to a. This is the first thing. Now at what is the point? At minus 4 comma minus 8 comma 4. What is the answer? Minus 8 plus 4 equal to a. Minus 4 equal to a. A equal to minus 4. Once I substitute a value here, therefore required equation of a line x plus y equal to minus 4. Look at x plus y plus 4 equal to a. This is the answer. That's all. Important 5 more percent. This is important 5 more percent. This is a. Am I right? Intercept equation. Here what is data? Equal intercept. A and B are intercept. Equal means either A equal to B or B equal to A. Usually you will eliminate B, then only A will come. Mind it. Release also you will eliminate B equal to something. Automatically the equation want only A. After find the A value you will answer. In this way you will find the A value. That's all. 5 more question. Now 1 more question. The intercept 5 more question. Exercise 2 problem. Exam also 2 problems there. 4th problem. One point is clearly given. Intercept word is given in the question. The first one is what? The intercepts are in the ratio 2:5. Next is what? Equal intercepts. Intercepts are equal. Here, intercepts on the axis are equal in magnitude but opposite. Intercepts are equal but opposite. That means what? B equal to minus A. Previously equal, no? B equal to A, but here B equal to minus A. One more question. Sum of the intercepts 7. That means what? Sum means A plus B equal to 7. In this way you will find the value B 7 minus A. The first one is ratio given. Next one is equal intercept. third one, intercepts are equal but opposite side. Last one, sum of the intercepts 7. Fourth problem, by using this idea, all the formulas are in part of 5%. Now, opposite side, no, B and A are equal but opposite side. If B equal to A minus A, x by A, y by minus A equal to 1. X by A minus y by A. Look at that. Now A is LCM. Plus multiply. This is the first thing. Substitute the point. At 5, 7. X is 5, y is minus 7 equal to A. A equal to what? Minus 2. Look at that. Therefore, required equation of line x minus y equal to A is what? Minus 2. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation. That's simple concept. This also 5%. That's all. Another important 5%. Important 5%. Page number, this is not page 227. Example 5.28. A line makes positive intercept. The A and B will be only positive value. Suppose negative value come in, that is not possible. Then and the important answer, whose sum is 7. The sum of the intercept 7 and positive point minus 3 made. The same method. Right there, intercept equation. By data, sum is 7. A plus B equal to 7. B want B, 7 minus 7. Substitute that x by A, y by B is what? 7 minus A equal to 1. Am I right? Now cross multiply A into 7 minus A into 7 minus A, cross multiply. What is the answer? X into 7 minus A plus y into A equal to 1. Again cross multiply. X into 7 minus A plus y into A equal to A into 7 minus A is the first thing. There B 7 minus A, replace B by 7 minus A, then LCM A into 7 minus A is LCM. Cross multiply x into 7 minus A into y, and y into B. Now cross multiply. Now what is the point? At minus 3 comma A, when x is minus 3 into 7 minus A plus y is 8A equal to multiply 7 into A, 7A, multiply minus A square, again multiply minus 21, minus 9 plus 3A, not 3A, this is 3A, 8A. This is from this side minus 7A, this is from this side plus A square equal to 0. Now write in order A square, okay, question A square. Adding both 11A minus 7A plus 4A, yeah, minus 21 equal to 2. Now it is on the form, the quadratic equation A. Solve this equation, we get two values for A. What is the method? The product of sum. Product of the two numbers, a known number is only 1 into minus 21 plus minus 21 is the product of two numbers. Sum of the number is 4. Now what are the numbers? You want to guess? 3 7s are 21. Am I right? But we want minus 21. You will put any one of the place minus. But here, plus 4 is the norm. That's why here only minus. What is the reason? 7 minus 3, 4. Minus 7, 3 into 7, minus 21. Product of the two numbers is minus 21. Sum of the same number is 4. What are the number? Minus 3 and 7. So your answer is A minus 3, A plus 7 equal to 0. A minus 3 equal to 0, A equal to 3. A plus 7 equal to 0, A equal to minus 7. This is not possible. What is the reason? What is the reason? A line makes positive intercept. Negative. We want only positive intercept. We don't want negative intercept. That's why A minus 7 is not possible. Now replace A value in the first equation. That is the answer. Put A equal to 3. The first equation. Substitute that x into 7 minus 3, y into 3 into 7 minus 3. Subtract 4x. Subtract multiply 3 into 4. Okay? 4x 3y. Okay, put up 300. Okay? Equal to 12. 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Which is the required equation. Am I right? Important number percent. Someone let the calculation. You want to a square a you want to, that's why you want to factorize and solve the equation. Because the two values for a, here the line positive is given. That's why you control the positive sign. Positive number we don't consider minus 7. That's why important 5%. This section is over. 2 exam also over.